Gathered here 4 knives by D-Rocket. Check this out. These things are pretty awesome. I love rockets, I love space, so I had to get some. Let's see what they're all about. First of all, the cases are beautiful. Wow, that's a nice case. So, beautiful, elegant design. Look at that clip. Tight. Okay. Ooh, and look at that little rocket. I mean, how can you resist that? Very squarey, not super comfortable handle, but it's all about this design, right? In this, wow, wow, look at how smooth that is. Boom. Are you kidding me? So you gotta be careful with that. That's so nice. Next one, there's no names. Maybe that's a name. Definitely not English. If it was Russian, I could read it also, but it's not. Wow, check this out. That one is pretty cool. So, first of all, it's a phone flipper. Wow, flips out really good. It's a simple straight knife. Not super comfortable because it has a big hole over here. Kind of a little bit more comfortable with left hand. But again, this is just a simple pocket knife. I feel like, yeah, I would have to hold it this way to grip it well. There you go. But again, I feel like it's a little bit more full to hold it this way. That hole is kind of like bothers me a little bit. But yeah, it is high quality knife for sure. You can flick it this way. Oh, maybe not so much. Like that. Not so much flick it. So I guess they made a little hole to make it look cool. Also you could kind of like thumb stud, little groove over here, I would want to say, for you to open it slowly, but I feel like you could just flick it this way, way better. And also that way it's easy to close it. So that makes sense why there's a little hole. Love this little screws. Yeah. Tiny little rocket over here with the flame. Beautiful knife. There's a clip. What do you guys think? I'm a fan of a D-Rocket. Ooh, that flies out so well. Pretty smooth. And to open it slowly, you can grab it and open it like that. Very nice knife. Then we have another one. Again, there's no names on the packaging. I really like their logo. Okay, and packaging obviously pretty cool too. So, I feel like this one is a left-handed as well because the button is on this side. It looks like it's not a button, but it is actually a button. So I'm right-handed, I would have to open it this way. And how do we close it? We just have to press the button and deep enough, you see, for that other part to drop down, and then this button will be in the way, so you let it go and close it. Again, I feel like it's more of a left-handed knife. Then you press it, and you kind of have to do it two hands, and you have to press it hard. That's so weird, and it's not pressable, obviously. So whenever it's open, close it. Wow, that's definitely not smooth button over here. Let me show you again. Easy and smooth to open it. To close it, you see, this line right here, you gotta press it and press it deep. And then it's gonna close halfway, then let go, and it's smooth. It will close. I kind of feel like it's also right-handed because it's actually easier for me to close it this way and close it all the way. One more time, close it, let go of a button. Not easy opening it and closing it, but very interesting knife right here, that's for sure. Look at that style blade. Look like a sword. Okay, and then we have one more. This is a cardboard box, and we actually have the name of it, D-Rocket. That's such a bad name. It's like in code. How am I supposed to know? What does it say? Put a rocket in your pocket. That one is kind of funny. So this is like one of those classic knives. but look at that. It's all like poop emojis. Little poop emojis. That's so funny. Check this out. From this side, I think this is Damascus steel. There you go. There's a bunch of poop emojis. Okay, you just grab on it like that with a nail and Damascus steel. Beautiful, is it? Yeah, seems to be. And there's a rocket right here. That is so cool. What do you guys think? This is definitely like a meme knife over here. So funky. I like it. Open boxes and things like that. Doesn't have a pocket clip. I love the logo. Little rocket. And Damascus steel. And a handle. Poop emojis. Take a little in. See it? So cool. Very geometrical for sure. Should probably make a thumbnail out of this. Yeah, there you go. That's a perfect light.